Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio. Today is Monday and it is Happy Mail Day. I've got my shipment in from Really Reasonable Ribbon. So this is my design team allotment. I've picked up quite a few flowers and some trim, so I thought I would share those with you. First of all, I do get my ribbon club for next month, but I can't share it because it's top secret. But you're going to love it. I promise you that. You are going to love it. So I picked up more of these plaids, and I always like to get enough to keep my stash filled in because you just never know which plaid you want to reach for. I picked up black and pink and celery, and those are great for making poofy bows. So I like that. And then I also picked up some peach wrinkle ribbon. So this is a really beautiful light shimmery color, perfect for bright and cheerful projects. So if you're making summer or spring cards, these will be great. They go really well with these chrysanthemums. So this is the mixed peach, orange, and white combination, and there are 50 flowers in here, and let me tell you, I'm going to go through every last one of them because I like them so much, and they go really well with that peach wrinkle ribbon. Don't you think that's a nice combination? So it's kind of an ombre, darker to lighter selection. You can make a nice arrangement with that. And then I went ahead and picked up more of just the white ones as well because I use them to fill in with other flower combinations, and I think they're just a really nice moldable flower. So if you have a larger space to fill, it works good, or if you need to squish them in around a larger, more dimensional flower, that works too. So this was 50 also, and that is going to work great with my other wild orchid craft flowers. And then I just went ahead and picked up the blue. This is Aqua Blue and White. This one here on the end is my favorite color of all the chrysanthemums. It's kind of really light aqua. It's really gorgeous. So that wasn't in the larger size package. I wound up getting 2 of the smaller ones. And then I did get more of the white magnolias, and I use those to alter. You've seen that video. If not, I'll link it below for you, how I take pre-made flowers and switch out the stamens so that they fit my project better. So I picked up the bag of 50 of those, and that is what I got for this month from Really Reasonable Ribbon. I will leave a link in the description below so you can check out Really Reasonable Ribbon, and links also to our social media sites. You can find us on Instagram and our Facebook and our blog and our Etsy shop. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure and give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.